Hey besties, it's your girl Classy C and I'm back with another video. Today really just gonna be a vlog, something like, cause I'm not really doing nothing. I think it's like, let me see. It's 12:35. Y'all look at my thing. It's a vision board. I've been hooked on marshmallows lately, so like, yeah. But I'm finna get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, do my hair, and I need to run some errands because, as y'all know, I just moved and I still need to revamp some stuff in there and clean up. So I'm gonna take y'all with me today. We're gonna do that, and I need to go to some stores. And I have to go pick up my TV from my mom's house. So that's really it. But let me go ahead and get into that. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm brushing my teeth.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still call me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still call me? Still be loving?
Okay, y'all, so of course I am done doing everything. I'm in my car. Your girlfriend will go to the store. Really waiting on my friend to call me back because she said she was gonna call right back, but she still haven't called back. And y'all, I really hate going places by myself. Like, who the wants to go somewhere by themselves? Like, that is whack. But I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is.
Really thought I was gonna have somebody with me today, but I guess not. Nobody wanna come with me, but it's cool. It's real cool or whatever. I'm gonna go get my car washed real quick, and then we gonna go to Target because I need to get these little sheets from Target. We finna go to the car wash. I don't know about y'all, but me when I'm driving, I be driving a little fast, but not like just drive fast. I used to drive like just drive fast. So I just feel like if you're driving in the fast lane and you're not driving fast, or at least 5 to 10 miles per hour above the speed limit, then you need to get out the way, you know. But that's that. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm not mean. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But I'm for real. I'm not playing. I'm for real. But you get what I'm saying. But we finna go through this drive-through. I said drive-through. We finna go through this car wash, and after I go through this car wash, I'm going to Target. I need to go to Dollar General about where I used to stay. That Dollar General had a lot of nice stuff, so I'm gonna go in there after this. And yeah, I'm rewrapping my couch. If y'all don't know what I'm doing, that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm going to Target to get that. But I feel like I might just end up going to Target and get some extra stuff, just because. But I do want Starbucks, so I am going to go into Target and get Starbucks. And I'm hungry, and I don't know what I'm eating, but I know I am hungry. We in a line. I ain't gonna show y'all the people in front of me because I don't want to show y'all their license plate. I would literally come get my car washed as many times as I feel like it, because if I'm paying for this membership, I'm gonna get my money's worth. That's one thing about it, is things for sure. I'm gonna get my money's worth. So yeah. Yeah, my tattoo, it's really so cute, and I feel like I should have got it on this side, because I show this side more. This is my side, and like I really like that tattoo, so I think I'm gonna get another tattoo right here. But my steak would interfere with, that's why I did. I'm gonna put her in neutral, so I'm gonna take her off the tripod. My seat broke, so don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. She looks so pretty. It's making me want to take selfies or something. Y'all know that man probably like, what is this girl doing? I'm vlogging. What about it? Like, be for BFFR.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I'm pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to save this. I got all the plays and I played it all like this. I wanted to see this. I wanted to make it up.
Hey y'all, man, sorry. I don't know why I think my basket got a little bit of a malfunction, because this little keep drifting off, and I'm not even trying to make it good out. It's kind of making me mad. Okay, I came in here for a blanket. This is the blanket I came in here for, y'all. It's $25. Also, the body is body. I came here for these. I came here for these. Not a lot. I don't know what color I want to do for them. Let me show y'all. Cause she, the body is body. Without it. Little bit. So cute. I'm just playing. I'm too busy posting. I'm supposed to be grabbing. So what I'm doing is I'm wrapping my couch with a blanket. My couch is black. It's all black, so like, yeah, you get it. It said they had 2 of these in the size full cream. They only got 1. So y'all, I don't know which one I should do. He said gray. Cause he said gray. Cause like my cabinet's gray. The walls like a off type of color. So that's why he said gray. I really wanna do this color, y'all. This white though.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home.
Y'all, I'm at Subway, finna get some food. So,
I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, pull your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. 24 hours.
Can I get ham?
Lately I've been thinking
Ham and
about
bacon, no
us.
turkey. Ham and bacon, no turkey.
Real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck with you and draining me out. You know that. You know that. Well, but I know that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out to come through and pull your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No, no.
What kind of cheese?
Can I get an American? Is that Jack cheese?
American cheese?
Yeah. Is this one Jack?
That's probably
Can I get both?
provolone.
Yeah.
Toasted rice.
Yes. Can I get lettuce? Tomatoes. Can I get a lot of honey mustard? One strip of mayo. That'll be good. Y'all, I look a little rough, so please don't talk about it. Please don't talk about how I look, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna get my TV set up, and then that'll really be the end of the vlog. I'm definitely not gonna call it a vlog. That'll be the end of the vlog. I'm making the thumbnail for it right now. Okay, but once I get this TV set up, I'm gonna show y'all. And tomorrow could be a new vlog, so that's none of y'all business for today. But I'll be back.